What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing that. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, tried to go 100 miles an hour, top ripped at the seams, but today we're gonna be trying to replace the entire fabric on the top. Now we do have this brand new vinyl top with glass, defroster and everything, because the older, I think the AP2s got rid of the glass and went for a softer, but this is actual glass in the back. I may have to get a rivet gun for the back, at least that's what I'm seeing online. So here's the full convertible top laid out. Should be pretty simple. I think what I'm gonna do is throw on the GoPro and we start tearing this thing completely apart. All right, let's go ahead and put it down just a tad. That's nice. All right, let's just start tearing. Oh, that's already disgusting. Oh yeah, that's glue. All right, so we got the front half completely off, at least. It was just screws, a couple bolts, and then mostly glue, and then this stuff. But we're kind of at a standstill. There's wires on each side, and then from what I've seen, people are just cutting this thing completely apart. So I don't know if I should just rip it at the seams. I'm going off a video I just found of some Russian dudes pulling the entire vinyl off. I think I'm just gonna start ripping this apart, and we'll go from there. Okay, progress. I think I figured something out. So there's a spring here with just a screw on it, and that runs all the way up here, and that's what's not allowing me to take this piece off right here. The middle is pretty easy. There was a strap here. They just pulled out of these rivets and unstrapped. And then it looks like in here, if you can see it, it's wedged into this. Oh, I guess I can pull it out that way. But there's a little tab in here where it's wedged in, and I assume that's where the new top's gonna wedge in. So I'm just gonna rip that all off, do all the stuff on the same side, and then we'll disconnect that spring, pull that out, and then we'll jump to the back. I wanna do something really satisfying. Yeah, just like in the movies. Damn, that's what we're looking for, something like that. It's crazy, some of these come with your convertible. Sorry. Oh, God. Oh, the seats. I'm gonna have to detail this thing. Ew. All right, now that I've evenly destroyed both sides, pull these bad boys out. Boom. All right, I'm just gonna cut this bad boy. Some good old wrapping paper. Jesus Christ. Okay, good news. So I'm not seeing rivets here. This is the panel that connects the back of the convertible top to the actual car so that it won't leak, obviously, and then water can drain out. But I'm not seeing any rivets. I'm only seeing nuts so far. I'm gonna pull these off and hopefully they're not behind there, but if they are, I might be actually able to do this today in one go. So definitely have to pull this plastic piece off. I don't know how involved that is. I don't know if I have to pull this whole thing off, probably. All right, well, I'm gonna see what I can do. We'll keep pulling things apart and then get ready to put that bitch on. All right, so we got the back assembly off, at least this middle piece. Now it's just for the right and left side. One screw, one tab, and then I think one more bolt right here. Should pull them out. Oh my God. So, got basically half of the entire car apart. Tire back, basically, I was hoping that it wasn't gonna be rivets. I thought it was just bolts, but it is riveted to the back. So the fabric is riveted to this little plastic piece here, which is easy. We'll drill these out, but I do not have a rivet gun, so I'm gonna have to go get one. Basically down to the skeleton, and it is ready to be installed. So I'm gonna go get a rivet gun, get some glue, some adhesive, because I think I'm gonna need it for the full install, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, we are back, and it's been quite a while. It's been at least a week and a half. Just got busy with other things and just buckling down. We're gonna finish this today. Only thing I've done off camera was basically, you can see the top's kind of on now. You see these, the springs that I took off in the beginning. You know, wire them through this, which is almost impossible because you feed the rope through and it gets kind of kinked up and it won't go all the way through. But right now I'm working on getting these springs reattached, which they had so much slack before, like it didn't seem like it moved that much. Now they're seeming like they're impossible to get on, but I'm gonna put those on and then we can work on fitting the rest of this top. It should be kind of screwing, but I'm gonna have to stretch it, so we're gonna have to see what goes on with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the springs on, and then anything else I can fill you in on, I will. But enough talking, let's get straight to work. I think I'm going to be moving on to the back, so there's all these pegs and everything. I already have this whole back piece riveted, so it's ready, it just slides on. I have to drill out these holes because the actual fabric didn't have pre-drilled holes. Even for the rivets, I had to end up going through it a couple times with a bigger drill bit to make some room. All right, so top is completely done. It's starting to stretch now. It's really hard to actually get it to close, but I've literally been filming this video over the course of, I don't know, 2-3 weeks maybe, just working every now and then, but finally came back, actually finished the top, got almost everything bolted up. So as you can see back here, everything's kind of secured. Now the only thing left to do is to put the trim back in the car, which is just the headrests and then the back plates and all that. This wasn't really meant to be a tutorial, but if you guys do have any questions, you can comment it down below and I'll try to help you the best I can. It was a very difficult process, but I think I have pretty much everything figured out, and you know, the first time doing something is a lot harder than after you've already done it, so I'm sure I can help if any of you guys have any problems or trying to do this on your own. All right, so top's completely done. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the finishing details and everything like I said. So one of my new goals for 2020 is I'm gonna be posting weekly updates instead of, you know, every now and then. I know my channel's kind of a mess right now, so follow me on Instagram at Irvine Garage. I'm gonna be posting an update on exactly when I'm like my new schedule and what day I'm gonna be exactly posting on. So be on the lookout for that. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up if it helped you out or anything. And consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Was that good?
Yeah. You just talk so fast and you get so nervous. I can tell. You're like, Anna, drop a like.
Anna, drop a like.